screen is visible. You can see there is camera, but today's video is exclusive on nuclear magnetic resonance. As I have seen an inspiration idea from my channel and even the Google wants, I can tell my student how to interpret NMR spectra. Fine. So before to that, with the camera, we can easily obtain the NMR spectra. After that, I'll tell you how you can interpret the unknown compound. Fine. The exclusive, this class is for the basic one, and in this playlist, I will upload 5 videos about the basics of NMR. In that, we will discuss proton NMR as well as C13. I will write here also. H1 and C13, or we write in this manner. We speak like H1 and C13. Otherwise, H1 is a proton, as we know. Hydrogen we say it's as a proton. Fine. For that, we just simply click the shortcut how we obtained the NMR with the help of ChemDraw. After that, I'll tell you how you can obtain it. Right. For that, only we need to put here. Firstly, we need to draw the structure. In my previous video, I have already discussed how you can draw the structure. But today, I just put here name. Any structure you want, I will draw for you. You can mention in the comment box. Today I just write the random. I write aspirin. Fine. Yeah, you can see it takes about 1 second to obtain this one. Fine. Now structure is with us. You can see this is their CHN analysis. Along with that, the molecular weight, their exact mass. If you want, I can explain for you mass fragmentation pattern also. Fine. And I can discuss this element analysis. Fine. And please watch the video from start to end for better understanding of the thing. Fine. Now select this compound and go to here. You can see there are two options, proton NMR and C13. Today, as I already tell you, this is for the basics only. For the basic, I just obtained this proton only. Firstly, you can see the spectra with us. Fine. As this is for the beginner only, firstly, we need to write down the types of the proton. Fine. As we know, structure of aspirin, you can see there are how many types of the protons are there? Anyone, if anyone know, please write in comment box. And for this NMR, I can have live QA session also if you have any query. Please write in comment box. Otherwise, basically I'm working on drug designing only, but this is exclusive for chemistry guy. If someone have any kind of issue, write there. Fine. You can see in the compound there are aromatic compound, aromatic proton, aliphatic proton and free proton. I can mark here also. Fine. This is an aromatic proton. Aromatic mean the proton that are attached with aromatic ring. Aryl, arene, you know it. That is the benzene type structure that are joined with the protein. They are known as aromatic proton. Fine. After that, we have aliphatic proton. This is the aliphatic proton. And we know chemical shift of aromatic proton, they have more as compared to aliphatic proton. You can see this aliphatic proton, they comes like with the singlet at 2.28. And as I tell you, in the aromatic, they have chemical shift more. And how we can calculate the chemical shift? We can calculate it by comparing it with TMS, that is tetramethylsiline. If you want to know about this TMS, I can write here. Or when you watch my video, please do have one notebook. TMS, fine. If you want to know about this TMS, write in comment box. Otherwise, it's not able to discuss each and every point through the video. That's why I would like to have this live QA session for better understanding of the thing. Fine. And one more proton is there, that is the free proton. Now, what is all about this free proton? The separate video I will make for that. Today, just remember that free proton mean when we do the D2 exchange, this free proton, they will disappear. Fine. Free mean that rest are aliphatic and aromatic. They are the bonded proton. Fine. When we do the T2 exchange, they will remain there because they are the bonded one. They are not free. Fine. But this free proton, they will replace with the D2. Fine. So it will not appear here. They will change their position. So this is the question all to all of them. In the next video, I would like to answer it. When we do D2 exchange, where this shift will move. Fine. This is all about basics of NMR and proton NMR interpretation of aspirin. Fine. In the next video, I would like to discuss about this D2 exchange and where this peak will go. Fine. And what is all about this free proton. Thank you so much. Stay connected. If you have any query, please do mention in comment box. Thank you. God bless. Happy learning. One thing more, do not forget to subscribe my channel Science and Vigyan. Thank you.